Okay, so right after the May 2023 results, we have another announcement from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Another very important update for all of you, whether you are a CA Foundation, CA Intermediate, or a CA Final student. This announcement is dated 5th of July 2023. That is today, right after the results of May 2023 attempt, right? So before we proceed with this, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, because this is the only channel where you are getting the full courses free of cost of costing, financial management, economics or finance, or otherwise also the courses at very affordable prices you are getting. Okay, so what is that announcement? The date sheet for November 2023 attempt is out, guys. Date sheet. So क्या है सर, फरमान जारी हो चुका है अब नवंबर 2023 के लिए, और ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब तो एग्जाम्स जो हैं बिल्कुल पास आ चुके हैं. द एग्जाम्स आर क्वाइट नियर. एज सुन एज द डेट शीट इज आउट, इट सीम्स लाइक द एग्जाम्स आर जस्ट अ फ्यू डेज अवे नाउ फ्रॉम अस, right? So let's quickly go through with the foundation exams. Will be conducted in December from 24, 26, 28 and 30th of December. And this is going to be the last attempt as per the existing course, because from May 24, as all of you know, we are coming up with the new course, right? And the intermediate exams are going to start from 2nd and going to end on 17th of November 2023. That means the costing exam we will be having on 6th, if I talk about my subjects, and the FMEFF exam will be on 17th of November 2023. Right, and the final exams are going to start on 1st of November and going to end on 16th of November. Right, so this is a small update for all of you. The most important thing here is when the exam forms are going to be filled. That is one very important area that all of you must remember. Please do not miss out on filling the exam forms, and the date is 2nd of August 2023, right? For foundation also, and for main exams also, that is inter and the final exams, right? And the last date for the submission is 23rd of August without late fees. With late fees, that will be 30th of August in all the circumstances. So this is one area, because I have seen many students coming up later on कि सर हम तो भूल गए एग्जाम फॉर्म भरना. भाई कैसे भूल सकते हो? अगर तुमने एग्जाम देना है तो तुम एग्जाम फॉर्म भरना कैसे भूल सकते हो? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. सो एज सुन एज द एग्जाम फॉर्म्स ओपन ऑन 2nd of August, please try to fill it as soon as possible. Do not linger it on, or do not wait till the last date, right? So this is another important update from the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. So guys, gear up for November 2023 attempt. The exams are here now. Just pull up your socks and get out the best with the preparations, right? And if you have not yet joined any of the classes for any of the subjects, please do it right now. Today itself you should start with your preparations of the group 2, or if you have already appeared for group 1, or if you are appearing for both the groups, then get going, sir. You have very less time left with you, but do not lose the hope. You can still cover it up all, each and every subject you can still cover it up with a good number of revisions and test series. So guys, get it up for November 2003. All the best to all of you for your preparations and for November 2023 examination. See you guys very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.